Is your car a disgusting mess, riddled with dirt, grime, and God knows what else? Well, come on down to Speedway Car Wash, where we got all the gizmos and gadgets to get your car clean.
Speedy boys!
Speedway Car Wash offers the fastest car wash in the West with our patented foam wand power washer. And let's not forget our speedy boys. Look at them go. Yeah! You don't get this kind of service at drive-thrus, folks. Another satisfied customer and another job well done from the Speedy Boys.
Come Speedway Car Wash.
Now on Route 5. Speedway Car